guys, what's up? So today I'm doing another celebrity makeup tutorial. I'm going to be doing a Demi Lovato tutorial. I'm pretty sure that the photo that I've chosen, which I will post up in the corner, is going to be one of her newer photos, but I really liked it and I think it looks really cool, so that's the one that we're going to be doing today. So, to start off with, I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. Now obviously I'm not going to be able to get as bronzed as she is. Obviously the more tan you are and stuff, the easier that part's going to be. But I'm just going to focus on like the eyes and stuff like that. Did you guys have a good Valentine's Day? Now this video is probably going up quite a while afterward, but you always want to make sure that you blend everything really, really well. Because you never want to have like lines and stuff. Okay, after that I'm going to be taking my NYX Full Coverage Concealer and I'm just going to be putting that under my eyes and like on any spots and stuff. I'm sorry if you guys can hear background noise. My family's home today and they don't really listen when I ask them to be quiet during my filming, so I am sorry about that. I'm sure some of you guys understand. Also, my kitten's in here today as well, and he seems to have taken off his collar. So, we will have to put that back on in a minute. Oh my gosh, I just put myself in the eye. Next up, I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer and using that on my eyelids. Did any of you guys who have collars on their cats have a problem with them taking them off? He doesn't mind wearing it, but he wants to play with it. So when he's trying to play with it, he like pulls it off. He was pulling the pendant off, but my fiance made that really tight so he couldn't get it off. But now he's just taking the whole thing off. And I can't make it any tighter. So, okay. So Demi has a very smoky kind of look, but also like kind of gold. So I'm going to start off with my Bare Minerals eyeshadow in the color Stay Golden. I'm just going to put that all over my lid. After I do that, I'm going to use the same brush and kind of draw this out a little bit. It's very smoky, but I kind of want to get the lines and stuff right. So she kind of has it kind of going up like that. So I'm going to try and do that. This might look a little crazy, but now I'm going to blend that. And this is kind of just going to require some trial and error until you get it right.
She don't need to be driving or doing nothing today. Said it really sort of shook her mama up a little bit. So she didn't know the glasses was showing. Evidently, her mama didn't go back with her, and Robin told the doctor how her mama acted when she got them last time. And the doctor come out and talked with her mama and explained to her how bad her vision really was. And she had to get bifocals too, because she needed reading as well as long distances. And
I'm actually deciding to make the wings slightly shorter than Demi's just because my face and my eyes, the way that they're kind of sit, are slightly different. You're going to have to adjust it based on that.
Robin, I said, my Herman made Barbara be good in the 1740. She said, really? I said, yeah. I said, he's a big believer in bifocals. I said, when he got into my sister, she refused to buy it. And she puts on reading glasses if she wants to read something, and does without glasses if she wants. And I said, Lisa's out of the house.
Oops.
And she just would not do the time. And Robin said, well, I know what she's going to do. So she said, they make me dizzy. And said that. See, she got no lines. And I said, until you use them, they will make you dizzy. But I said, you need to wear them and practice looking. And like the doctor said, don't do it now. Because you really do need to get used to it. She said, well, you can see I've got them on from here. The lens on hers is big.
Let's see. Guys, it might take quite a bit of trial and error before you quite get it down.
I noticed these did not have the side part on them. So I don't know if she got them or not. I'll look over the same week. So I'll ask her.
Next up, I'm going to be taking some of the gold again, and I'm going to be putting that on my lower lash line.
But they look good on her, and I just hope she can see that. I'm almost
Okay, so once I've done that, I am going to, after I get the top back on this, I'm going to take, first of all, my Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner, and I'm just going to do really close to the lash line and like the outer corner area. Looks like hers might come in more, so I'm going to come in a little bit more. I'm sorry if I got out of frame, you guys. You know I don't do well with eyeliner far away. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go off camera for a minute, and I'm just going to put this kind of like close to my lash line. No wings or anything, just like on the lash line, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my battery and my camera's going to die soon, so I'm going to hurry up. I'm going to do my eyelashes now. I'm going to be using my Maybelline The Falsies mascara for this. I'm just going to be putting that on my tops and my bottom lashes. Then I'm going to be curling my lashes again. Then I'm going to take my pressed powder and use that all over my face. This is It by Pores pressed powder. I like to do the pressed powder after I do the other stuff because that way if you have any fallout, you can kind of clean it up. I kind of learned that trick from Tanya Burr. After that, I'm going to take my bronzer, and Demi has bronzer kind of dark in different places, so I'm going to try and recreate that. Normally, I don't do the middle area of my forehead with bronzer, but that's where hers is, so that's what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend it out. I'm not going to be leaving mine as dark as hers just because my skin is so light. After that, I am going to take my Makeup Forever blush and use that on my cheeks. Then I'm going to be taking my Laura Mercier highlighter. You guys know it's my favorite, and I'm going to use that in the places that I would normally highlight. Demi has quite a bit of highlight going on, so I really enjoy when the celebrities have that because that just means that I can go crazy with it. And then she has on just like a pink glossy lip, so I'm going to be taking my NYX Butter Gloss and use that on my lips. And I'm just going to kind of touch this up a little bit. Okay. So this, you guys, is the finished look. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know how I did in the comments, and I will see you guys later. Bye, guys!